Okay, hello everyone. Charot lang. So let's have lesson 1.1 about calculating salary and wages. Mm, ready na? Ready na. So what is really compensation? So when you say compensation, it is the salary, wages, pay, or benefits provided to an employee in return for work performed as required. Siya. And there are two ways na bayaran ka sa employee nimo. The first one is salary and the other one is wage. So when you say salary, that is a fixed amount paid regularly, regardless of hours work. However, when you say wage, it is a payment based on hours work. It is expressed as hourly pay. What's the difference between the two? So, in salary, it is paid on a regular, often monthly basis. Amount is determined by contract. If you are working in a private institution, there's no overtime for salaried employees. Diba? Uy, kita, mga salary earners, kay mga walay overtime. So, the example for that are doctors, lawyers, engineers, managers, or executives, and many others. Basta i-specify gud na siya. Ha? Kasi nagnapoy overtime ng uban. Depende sa sabot sa tag-iya sa company. For the wage, it is calculated as wage is equal to hourly rate times hours. Ganun siya. So, in Bisaya, yang sweldo kara oras i-multiply sa pila ka oras siya nag-work. Then, an employee is called a wage earner. May tawag nila. So it is common in part-time and casual work. For example, factory workers, part-time staff, and casual laborers. Na example. And here in the Philippines, naman tayo minimum wage. It is the lowest remuneration that can legally paid to employees. Whether 500, 540, ganon. Mauna atong sweldo. Especially kung baguhan ka pa sa work, 'di ba? Oh, saan ka pa? Pumunta ka na sa ibang bansa. So we have here the common pay frequencies. We have here monthly, so it means employees must receive a compensation at least once per month. For daily, from the word itself, daily, it is paid at the end of each day work. For weekly, we have 52 weeks, wherein you are paid once every week. For bi-weekly, you are paid 26 weeks in 1 year. So you are paid once every 2 weeks na siya. For semi-monthly, you have 24 months in 1 year. You are paid twice a month in 15 and 30 or last day. It's legally mandated here in the Philippines based on the Article 103 of the Labor Code of the Philippines. Another is quarterly. You have 4 quarter months. So you are paid every 3 months or 4 times a year. For semi-annually or biannually, you are paid every 6 months. So, di ba? Sa manay mo po, maniwang na ka sa kadawat sa imong sweldo. Sakit. So, and annually, from the word itself, annual, 1 year, paid once a year. O, di ba? Daghan na kay kagkwartaan na. Di ba dungan ng tanan sweldo ni mo. So we have here formulas to find the weekly, bi-weekly, hourly wage, or monthly, semi-monthly, or whatever frequencies nga gipangayo sa question. So basically, P stands for what is asked in the question, S is the annual salary, A, H is the hourly rate, and N is the hours kung pila siya ka hours nag-work. For example, si Vince. Si Vince, ang iyang annual salary is 441,000. O, diba? Kamay na siya, honestly. So, if you're looking for the weekly basis niya, all you have to do is divide 441 divided by 52. That's why the answer is 8,480.77. That will be the salary of Vince weekly. For bi-weekly siya, all you have to do is divide by 26. That's why 441 divided by 26, the answer is 16,961.54. Mana yung sweldo. For monthly, you have to divide it by 12. That's why your salary per month would be 36,750 pesos. Well, you have to take note that there are some years, now, leap year, so that's 366 every 4 years. So that is why the accurate period for calculation is 52.18. Mao na siya. Dili lang 52. Pero since nag-solve man ta manually, so let's consider na lang si 52. Another example, si Mike. Ang given is hourly rate na. So, 6.875 ang iyang hourly rate. Kada oras mo na yung sweldo. Lumayar, ano? In 40 hours week, di mo na siyang i-multiply. Kay hourly naman na siya daan. So, it means 86.875 pesos times 40 hours. Ang iyang sweldo is 3,475. For 1 year, you all know that 1 year na ay 52 man, diba? Ka-weeks. And in 1 week, you have 40 regular hours na work. So, basically, you can use 3,475. Kaya mo nag 1 week niya nga sweldo. Automatic, i-multiply ni mo siya sa 52. Ang iyang sweldo in 1 year is 180,700. Mauna siya. If the teacher want to ask you again, what will be the monthly salary of Mike? Then, you will use the annual salary para sure ka nga sakto imong answer to divide it by 12. Okay, so it means monthly, nasa sweldo nga 15,058 pesos or 15,058.33. So that's all about calculating wages from salary. I think it's so easy, right? Goodbye.